Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Granny Square Motif number 4. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those type of techniques. So to get started for round 1, we are going to chain 4, and in the 4th chain from the hook, we are going to work a 2 double crochet cluster. So a cluster means that when you pull through your double crochet, you leave one loop still on your hook, and then you start with your next one, so you end up pulling through a group. So the repeat for this pattern is going to be chaining 3 and then working a 3 double crochet cluster. So it's a pull through 1, pull through 2, and then you'll end up pulling through all the loops on your third one. So chaining 3 and then working a 3 double crochet cluster, and this is repeated 9 times. Once you finish that, you are going to chain 3, work your last 3 double crochet cluster, chain 3 again, and then join with a slip stitch. Then you will fasten off your yarn and you're going to change colors. So here we are with round 2. We're going to take our color and we are going to join it right where we left off in this chain 3 space from the previous row. You're going to chain 3 and then you're going to be working a 2 double crochet cluster in that same chain 3 space. Then the repeat for this pattern is going to be chaining 5 and working a 3 double crochet cluster in the next chain 3 space. This will be repeated 9 times. And once you're done working on your last 3 double crochet cluster, you will chain 5 and you will join with a slip stitch. Now you're going to keep this color of yarn that you're working, so let's go ahead and jump into round 3. So for round 3, we are going to be working in that chain 5 space. You're just going to join it with a slip stitch and then chain 3. Then you're going to work a 2 double crochet cluster in that chain 5 space, followed by chaining 3 and working a 3 double crochet cluster in that same chain 5 space. Now the repeat is going to be chaining 3 and then working a 3 double crochet cluster in the next chain 5 space, followed by chaining 3 and then working another 3 double crochet cluster in the same chain 5 space. This will be repeated 9 times. So here we are, just finishing our last 3 double crochet cluster. To finish off, you are going to chain 3 and then join with a slip stitch and fasten off this color of yarn, and then you'll grab the first color of yarn that you started with. Now with your first color yarn, you're going to locate any chain 3 space and you are going to work 5 single crochets in that chain 3 space. The repeat for this pattern is working 5 single crochets in each of the chain 3 spaces, and you'll repeat that all the way around, and then you will fasten off your work and your pattern will be done. So here we are at the end, and we join with a slip stitch. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And I really do hope that I see you guys in the next Crochet Granny Squares video. Have a happy crochet day.